In this video, we will discuss the uses and benefits of 3D printing. We'll cover three main uses and benefits: prototyping, customization, and prosthetics and assistive devices. 3D printing is extremely effective as a prototyping tool. Before 3D printing, if you had an idea for a product or invention, you would design the product and then you would have to send the design off to a company that could make an injection mold or a cast for you. This could take weeks or possibly months and could cost you a lot of money. Then, when you receive the prototype, what if you needed to make small changes? You'd have to repeat this process over and over again until you had your final product. With 3D printing, even though the process for creating each copy is slower, you can very quickly make changes to your model and create multiple iterations of a prototype. This makes it a great tool for prototyping. As 3D printing has become more widely available, the ability to create and test inventions and products has become more accessible for the average person. 3D printing is also great for creating customized products. The Gillette Razor Company actually had a program where you could order a custom razor with your name or your choice of design for the handle. Something like this would not be possible without 3D printing. Making a single customized object with injection molding would be cost prohibitive and not practical. 3D printing makes it much easier for a company to create just a single copy of any given design, something that would have been extremely cost prohibitive a couple of decades ago. As you can see from this image of a 3D printed razor from Gillette, 3D printing also makes it possible to create more complicated designs than traditional manufacturing processes. Finally, 3D printing is often used to make custom prosthetic limbs, particularly for young people who are constantly growing out of their prosthetics. Project Enable is a nonprofit organization that provides open source designs for a variety of assistive devices, including prosthetics. Because of 3D printing, it's now possible for someone to download these files, size to their own specifications, and 3D print their own prosthetic device. There are plenty of other real-world uses for 3D printing, including housing, food products, musical instruments, and more.